Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss about location of the day. Right friends? So you can call me at this number, that is 9640123412, for getting a personal guidance. Right friends? So next we see further. You can join WhatsApp group for mains answer writing initiatives. That is, you can text me as UPSC 2021 for this following number, right? And you can follow me on my Facebook page, and the links will be given in the description box, right? You can subscribe my blogs for getting an interesting articles related to personality developments and UPSC related articles. You can join our Telegram channel for getting an important PDFs and various other kind of PDFs and links as well, right friends? So we move further here towards our today's discussion, right? So let us see about the sharks are thriving at the Kermadec Island but not the rest of the New Zealand amid global decline. So what is the location which we are going to see today? That is Kermadec Island, right friends? This location which is located nearby New Zealand. So we will see why it is in news. So recently a assessment has been made by the Global Finprint project, right? And in this, what did it say? It said that nearly 371 coral reefs in 58 countries found no shark, right friends? That is approximately 58 countries has found no sharks at all, and almost 20% of the reefs are alarming low numbers at many other places, right friends? And this Global Finprint project gave New Zealand a good scorecard because it has been focused on the coral reefs itself, and it included only one region, that is Kermadec Island. Kermadec Island is also called as Rangitahua, right friend? And it is a pristine subtropical archipelago surrounded by the New Zealand's largest marine reservoir. Right friends, so we see further here. There are overall 7 species which are fully protected under the Wildlife Act of 1953. This is most important friends, just remember it, right? Because UPSC may ask a direct question, that is sharks are protected under which of the following act? That is and Wildlife Act of 1953, 1971, 1976, and none of the above. So you should be able to answer it, and your answer must be 1953, Wildlife Act of 1953, right friends? They are mostly large, right friends? The significance of these sharks are they are mostly larger in size, and they are migratory species. They can go from one region to another, and examples are giant manta ray, right friends? And according to IUCN, some species are threatened with extinction according to IUCN, right? And those will be included as great white sharks, basking sharks, whale sharks, and oceanic white tip sharks. Finning of sharks has been illegal throughout the New Zealand since 2014, right friends? So next we see further here what's there in Tipaka Moana, that is Hauraki Gulf. Tipaka Moana is also known as Hauraki Gulf, right friends? Hauraki Gulf. Sharks have since declined by an estimated of 86%. 86% means it's a huge amount, friends, right? Large number of population, it has been just declined. So you have to take further steps to protect the ecosystem, and an ongoing planning process provides some hope for the ecosystem of the Gulf, right? Next we see the Global Fin projects, so valuable, that is it uses a standard survey method allowing data to be compared across the globe. The method uses a video camera pointed at a canister of bait. This contraption is put on the seafloor for a hour. Then the images can be taken and the counting has been made. Right friends. Next we see go to the locations, particular locations, right friends? So we will see here, that is Kermadec Island. Where the Kermadec Island is located, see here. let me change the color. Right friend, so this is your Kermadec Island. Hope you can see this. See, this is your New Zealand, right? This is your New Zealand, and here the Kermadec Island is located, that is archipelago is located here. This is called as Kermadec Island. So this is Australia, New Zealand, and this is located as a Kermadec Island. Next we see about the other location, so that is Hauraki Gulf. Why the Hauraki Gulf is in news? Just now we saw that is in the Tikapa Moana Hauraki Gulf, sharks have been since declined by the 86 percentage. So 86 percentage, right friends? So for this purpose we will see where is the location of the Hauraki Gulf. So here it is located, the Hauraki Gulf. So let me tell you one thing. For example, see here you are, not an example, this is fact, right friend? This is your capital of New Zealand, that is Auckland, and here the small archipelago is located which is known here the small archipelago is located which is known as the Hauraki Gulf, right friends? See, let me take you there. See, this is your capital of New Zealand, that is Auckland, and here it is your Hauraki Gulf, right friends? I hope you got the proper locations, right friends? Next, what are the homework which you have to do for today itself? That is important coral reefs in different countries, that is important coral reefs in the world, right friends? In the world, you have to note this. And second thing is important gulfs at different regions throughout the world and make its significance as well, right friends? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe for Aquar IAS, and that is it for this video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.